So hello friends, in this video tutorial we will learn about how to use date function in DAX in Power BI. So what is DAX? So DAX stands for your data analysis expression. So full form of DAX is data analysis expression. So keep in mind that word data analysis expression is the full form of DAX. Now what we need to do, I already have a file here which is your order. And this order file have this order date, profit, rows ID and ship date. So if you want to see this file, I will just go to date and I can find out like this is our order date, ship date and profit. And now according to order date we will use some basic formulas of our date. So to finding out the basic formulas, I will just click here in this file in data and click over this, and then here is a new column. I will just click on the new column. So I have a new column here added. So here I have a new column and I want to change the name of this column. I will give the name day 1 and then I will put equal to, then I will type day and just open the bracket, and now here we have to take the name of that column or that row from where we have to find out the day of that month. So these are the month columns. So we have to take only the column where we have a format in the date of date, like format should be in the date or like date format only, then it will work. So he will take day, then I have to type the name of our table which is order, and here from this order it's already show us, and here I will take order 1 order date. So this is our order date. So I will just click over this, and here I will take only the date, dot date, so that we are able to find out the date of the month, and then just click enter or in this right arrow key, and after a few seconds we will find out the date. So this is our date, this is 7, this is 15, so it is showing us the date. Next is, if we like to find out, I will add another new column here, and this time what I need to find out our month of our order date. So if you want to find out month of our order date, I have to type the name of the column first, which is month 1. I will type equal to, then I will again type month and just bracket open, and again name of this table which is order. So I will type order here, and order from order date I have to take this order date. So I will just click over this order date here, and here again I will take dot date. So dot date will find out which month this order date comes. So I will just click over this. Now I will just click over this right arrow key, and now you will see the months. So we have a month also here, so we are able to find out the month. So again, if you want to need more things, we can do that. If I will go to new, a new column will be added, and we have to change the name of the column because so that we can understand what this column means. So I will just remove this, and this time I will type quarter and just equal to, and here again I will type quarter, QARTER. So this is the spelling, we have to type the right spelling from here, take the right spelling, and then I will again take the table name which is order 1, and this time again order date. This is the table here, and again I have to take this date and just press right click. Now we are able to find out which quarter, which month, which day, like these particular order date fell. So we have the information like on the 7th day, on the 4th month, and in the 2nd quarter. If you want to change the name, we can do it anytime. I have to put R here, so I will put R here, and then I will put right, so it will change the name then. So this is a way we can use the date function in Power BI DAX, and DAX stands for your data analysis expression, and it's a programming language that is used through Microsoft Power BI for creating, calculating column measures, custom tables. All these things can be done. It is collection of functions, operations and constant that can be used in formula or expression. So this is the way we can use it in date. Thank you very much for watching this video. So now friends, in this video tutorial of your Power BI DAX, we will learn some basic date function, and this is second part of our basic date function. So what we will do, we will go here and we will just go in this column table. From like this, I will just go there and select my table here, which is order 1, and now I will just click over this, and even in column table, column tools, I will just select new column. So I have a new column here, and here we will again find out our order quarter. So what is the first quarter? So find out the quarter, what we will need to do, I will just type here quarter 1. You can give any name. I have earlier given quarter 1, so this time I will give quarter 2 equal to, and here I will type just order date. So we have to find out the quarter according to our order date, and from here I will take order quarter. So either you will take quarter or quarter number. So I will take quarter here and just press enter. So here we don't need to take anything before this order date, we just directly take it and we will find out the quarter here. Again I will add new column here, and this time I will like to find out again our quarter only. I will again find quarter 3, I will type equal to, and again I will type order date because we will find according to date, and this time I will take order date here, and then here I will say quarter number. So we can even take the quarter number also, right click. So we just directly giving the details, and we are finding out the quarter number or quarter dates. Again new, and here I like to find out our day. So to find out day, I will give day 1 equal to order date, and from this I can just click over this day here, and now we are finding our day according to our order date. So now we have order date, like this is the 31st, so it is giving us the date according to our order number. If you will just remove this, just change it ascending clear sorting. So if you will clear sorting, now we have different dates here. Then I will again like to find out what is the year, which year we have made the sales. So this time I will give year 2, and now I will take equal to, and here I will take again our order date, and after taking order date we have to find out year. So I will take years here and right click. So whichever year we have made what sales, like we have here 2 years, like 2001, like 2020, 19, and other years are also there. So according to years what sales we make, we will also get there. Again I will put new column, and if we want to find out the week number, to find out the week number, I will just type here week number 1 equal to, and here I will just select this week number, and then I will take our order date and just press this right arrow key or enter. So now we have information according to the week number of the year. So according to which week number we have made sales, we can have this details. Next I will go to new, and this time I will like to find out weekdays. So like in which weekday of the month of the week we have made a sale. So I will write weekdays here equal to, then again I will type weekdays, and then I will take order date, because according to order date we are finding the details. So now we have details according to our weekdays. So we have different information, like what is this 4 mean? 4 means this Wednesday, like Saturday is for 7. So different dates we have different years. So 6 we have our Saturday 3, we have Friday, sorry, 3. So like we have these days, one is for your, I will just check, one is for your Sunday. So Sunday we have this one date, otherwise 2. So our Sunday start from 1. So 1 to 7 is our date, 7 is for Saturday. So we are going from Sunday to Saturday. Now if you want to convert this into chart, so I will just go there, and in here, like in our table, like if you want to know the profit, so what we will do, I will just take this bar chart here, and here I will take our week number in our y-axis and profit in our y-axis. So now we have different sales according to our week number, wherever we have made the maximum or minimum according to our sum of profit is there. So we have 52 week number, or either we can take instead of weekdays, like in weekdays where we what sale we have made in week, like we have 7 weekdays here. So in 7 weekdays we So here we have report according to our sum of profit according to weekdays, and this is our according to the week numbers. So that's all in this video. So now friends, in this video we will learn about some more date functions, which are your today, now, and your date difference. So how we can use all these functions, let's see. So here we will click in any of our column and then new column. So now we have added a new column here, and now in this new column we will write today, and after writing today I will press equal to, I will write today 1, then I will equal to, and then I will use today function. Just double click over this and just click over this right arrow sign. Now we have a today date here, but did date even contain your time format also, but we don't need this time format. So we will go to column tools, and from column tools we will go date time, and we will just take date here. So after doing this, our date today date will have only date and our month and our day, our year. So we have just removed that area by just selecting our date only. Next is now function. So to use now function, I will add another new column here, and after adding the new column I will just give it a name here, and its name is now. I will just put some name here, NOW now 1, and then equal to, and after that I will type now here and double click over this, and you can either enter or you click over this right arrow key. Now we have a now function here which include your date and as well as time format also. So like as the time passes, this date will this date and time will also like change. So it will give us a real time information according to the time. So this is the benefit, like if we have a now function, today give us a information of today, now function even give information according to your date and time also. Next is like if you want to find out the difference between our order date and ship date, what is the difference between that date. So what we will do, I will click here in now, and then I will click here new column. So this is the another way, like we can select a column here. One is like we can select it from here, or either we can go over this, and from here also we can select a new column. So two way to select a column here. So I will just click over this, sorry, I will just right click, I will go here and right click, and here we will take new column, and we have a new column with us. So two ways to select a new column. So now we have a new column. I will go over this new column, backspace, and I will use a new function. First of all, we give a name to this column, which is difference, and then I will put 1 equal to, I will give some difference name here, so that if we have used such column again, so it will make it with some different name. So difference 1. Then I will write down the formula here, and with that is dated if. So dated if formula is used to find out the difference between two dates. If I will click over this, so it will show what is the process like. So in dated if, we first have to take the date 1, then date 2 and intervals. So in date 1 we have to take our order date, so I will just type order date from order table, and then we will take a date here. So we have to find out from order date, we have to take the date, then I will put comma, and this time I will take the ship date. I will just type ship date, and from this ship date I have to find the date, and lastly we have to find out the days from this total, from this all these, like from difference of date between this order date and ship date, and then I will click this arrow key, and now we will find our difference in dates here. So like we will take from 7th of April till 12th of April, we have 5 days, like 15th April to 17th, 2 days. So according to our date, it will take the difference between our order date and ship date. So this is the way we can use such things here. So that's all from this side now.